Hi guys, welcome to Ride and Drift channel. I'm Kate, the driver.
I'm Ola, the producer.
And I'm Daria, the manager.
We're a small team of 4 people actually. The 4th one is yet to join us. So I think it's pretty simple. I'm the driver that's been inspired by Ken Block, whose skills I do want to master. And the main goal as a team for us is to be part of drifting competition and inspire younger generation.
So we all come from a small town in Lithuania. It's called Visaginas. The majority of population is Russian. We were all born just before the collapse of Soviet Union, so our first language is Russian. Our families come from Russia, but we grew up in Lithuania. And we know each other for 20 years. We studied together, and we've moved to England together, and we're still keeping in touch, and we're best friends.
It's okay.
So we're all full-time employees and we're not giving up our jobs, and we're doing this now free time.
We all live in different cities, so I'm in Bedford, Oli is based in London, and Daddy is based in St. Albans. Our 4th person is based in Lithuania, so it's quite hard for us to get together and do what we are doing right now.
So Ride and Drift channel is going to be mainly about drifting, different experiences with cars, motorsport, but also because we've just started, we're going to film a lot about us, what we do in the free
Lifestyle,
time, just so you
different experiences.
Challenges.
just so you can see who we are, our characters, like open a little bit more for you.
Personalities.
And also, whilst we're doing this, we have more time to plan and to save up for our own drifting car and for her to practice. So in the future, hopefully, this channel will be just about drifting.
Racing, possibly racing and competitions that we will try and attend in different even countries. We're happy to travel because that's what we want to do as a team together.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
Stay
tuned, bear with us, we will do it, we'll make it happen. We believe in ourselves and we want you to believe in us. Perhaps just a little bit of feedback sometimes.
Let us know what you like to see,
Exactly.
your favorite videos. Is it drifting videos? Is it night out videos?
Challenges.
Is it the creative videos like we did with the smoke? The photo shoots we do? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you
R&D.
can.
Stay tuned.
Stay
Stay tuned.